Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a pumpkin head. First, select a large, healthy pumpkin, ideally one with a flat bottom for stability. Gather your essential carving tools, including a sturdy knife, a scoop for cleaning, and smaller detail tools. Before you begin, lay down newspaper or a protective mat to keep your workspace clean and tidy. This preparation makes the entire process much smoother. Now, carefully cut a circular opening around the pumpkin stem. Make sure it's large enough for your hand to fit inside comfortably. Next, use your scoop to thoroughly remove all the seeds and stringy pulp from the interior. Don't rush this step. A clean interior helps prevent early spoilage. Scrape the walls until they are smooth and free of any remaining fibers.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer for keeping your ride fresh. You can find links to this product and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your pumpkin clean, it's time to design the face. Use a dry erase marker or a pen to sketch your desired features directly onto the pumpkin's surface. Think about classic shapes like triangles for eyes and a nose, or get creative with your own unique design. Remember to plan a mouth opening that is suitable for placing a candle or LED light inside. Now for the exciting part, carving. Using your smaller, more precise tools, carefully cut along your drawn lines for the eyes, nose, and mouth. Employ a gentle sawing motion for intricate details and sharp corners to avoid cracking the pumpkin. Once a section is cut, gently push the carved piece inward to remove it cleanly. Take your time for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.